So what you can also do is you can find flight tickets by using Google Gemini. So for that, what you need to do is you need to type in this prompt. Let's say, for example, I'm trying to find a flight from Bangkok to Yangon. So I'm going to go around and say, find flight tickets from Bangkok to Yangon and find the cheapest fares in the next week right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then it sets for Google Flights, as you can see right here, just like this. So now you can see that this is what you have. So these are the options, as you can see right here, just like this. So now around from that, you can also see that it provides out the price right here. So there's Google Flights that it utilizes right here. There's Thai Air Asia and My, as you can see right here. And it also gives the price, as you can see right here, on which may be the cheapest right here. So that is how you can even get the flight ticket information in Google Gemini as you like, just like this. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.